Listen. The old logging trail was supposed to be clear. My radio was dead, and the snow fell in a suffocating silence. It started with a whisper, my name carried on a frigid breath, thin and starved. I pulled my collar tighter, trying to ignore it. But then came the sound of bone tapping on frozen wood, a rhythmic, deliberate echo from the trees. I saw a shadow flicker, impossibly tall, its limbs a grotesque parody of a body, its antlers scraped against the frozen pines, and a foul, metallic scent of rot filled the air. It knew I was here, and it was no longer just a whisper.